Ghostbusters, the highly anticipated game based on the iconic movie, will leave you in awe of its cutting-edge graphics. Strap on your proton pack and get ready for some pixelated paranormal action. Control the Ghostbusters as they chase after spooky specters in their ectomobile, blasting them with their pixel-perfect proton streams. The game's challenging difficulty will keep you coming back for more, even if you end up covered in marshmallow goo. Get ready to relive the Ghostbusters fever and save New York City from paranormal mayhem. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! On C64, of course.